Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to create ringtone in your iPhone. First open iTunes, then select the song which you want to convert as ringtone. Then click on File, go to Convert, then click on Create AAC version. Once the AAC version of the song is created, right click on it, then click on Get Info, go to Options, make sure the song is less than 30 seconds. If the duration of the song is more than 30 seconds, change it to 30 or less than 30. Then click on OK. Now drag the AAC version of the song to your desktop. Then go to Folder Options. Now click on View tab. Then uncheck this Hide extensions for known file types. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now change the file format to M4 or. Then click on Enter. Click on S. Now copy this file to your iTunes media library. Click on iTunes media. Click on automatically add to iTunes. Paste the song here. The iTunes will automatically move the file to the media folder. Now delete this AAC version of the song from the library. Then click on this mobile icon. Click on Music. Then click on Sync. Once it is completed, click on Tones. Click on the file name. Then click on Apply. Now you can see this ringtone on your mobile phone, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.